And shifting focus to news from Hong Kong, that is now under its highest tropical cyclone warning as Typhoon Wipha lashed the region. The Hong Kong Observatory issued the rare T10 hurricane signal early Sunday morning. The number 10 signal, which is the highest level warning, means that winds with speeds of 118 km per hour or more are expected to hit the region. The last number 10 signal was during Super Typhoon Sakla in 2023, with the storm causing 86 injuries, landslides and thousands of trees to fell. Under this warning, citizens have been urged to stay indoors and away from exposed windows and doors. Temporary shelters for people with no safe refuge will also be opened. Meanwhile, all government facilities and all schools will be shut and there will be no bus or ferry services. However, trains will run in the underground sections of some empty metro lines if conditions permit. As of 10 a.m. local time, Typhoon Wipha was about 60 kilometers southeast of the city, which brought hurricane-force winds over 118 km per hour and heavy waves along the coastal region. The southern part of the territory is being hit hardest under the storm's eyewall. The storm has forced the cancellation of around 500 flights, with another 400 still scheduled but expected to face delays in the days. The airport authority has even urged travellers to check for updates before heading out. All school and daycare centres have been closed on Sunday, that is today, with over 200 people seeking shelter at government-run centres. Public transport is disrupted. Trains have been running limited routes and above-ground services are suspended for the meantime. One person has been hospitalised and officials report more than a dozen fallen trees across the city. Meanwhile, China's Hainan and Guangdong provinces remain on high alert. In the Philippines, Wipha has caused heavy flooding and 2 people have been reported missing. This is, note, the first time that Hong Kong has raised the T10 warning since Super Typhoon Saola struck in 2023. Authorities continue to monitor the storm's path closely. Meanwhile, the 6th typhoon of the year continues to strengthen as it moves towards southern China region. Wipha has intensified into a severe tropical storm early Saturday, which prompted China's Meteorological Administration to renew a yellow alert. The storm is moving northwest at 25 km per hour and is expected to make landfall between Guangdong and Shenzhen city and Hainan's Wencheng sometime Sunday afternoon or even evening. China has issued a level 4 flood alert in southern provinces as Typhoon Wipha nears. Ferries are suspended, Haikou ports set to close, and Shenzhen is under a red rainstorm alert. More than 12,000 offshore workers have also been evacuated, with more than 500 fishing boats returning to port.